Hello. So we basically come over here. It's about the description, about the discourse forum description. So basically I'm showing you a similar example of my another gig of description. So let's move on about the description. So this is the gig description. So Discourse actually it's a forum or community. You already know, that's why I come into the our profile or our gig. So let's move on to the information. First, we need a BPS server. We for installing or customizing the purpose of Discourse, we need a BPS server. So BPS server, it could be any kind of Linux operating system. It's required, and it's required also minimum 2 GB RAM and 25 GB hard disks. So this is the basic things. So we are using on this purpose of Discourse forum, we are using Ubuntu. On our description, if you see, we are showing Ubuntu, CentOS, Fedora, Debian, then SUSE Linux, and more other. We are able to install Discourse forum inside. So we need another thing, which is the SMTP server we are mentioning over here. We need some information. So the SMTP server, it's required. If you want, if you are interested, you can see from this this company, like the Mailgun, they are providing the service of our SMTP server. Once you buy from them, then so you will get the services of SMTP server. And we need something else, which is the DNS, domain DNS configuration. So for if we are trying to configure SMTP server to the domain, so we must need to configure the DNS record. So for example, we're giving to showing you an example. It's the Google. If you see DNS checker, so we can see the A record, which is all around the world, we can see. And if we want to see about the text record, we can see, if we click on over here, you can see the information about the text record, what Google actually using. But we are not showing any other thing, because Google is the popular one. It could be easy for understand for anyone. And so if we move on to our description again, so if it's another thing, which is we actually require some another thing, which is first we need a BPS server, and then we need SMTP server, then we need DNS access, then we need a mail, specific mail that you are receiving a mail from the Discourse community for the first login. And we will provide you inside also another service, which is the STTPS or SSL certification. We will give you this service included with this promotion or with this gig. So as far you see over here, we describe over here some little bit information about why you will take the service from us. It's actually basic information we write over here. We will deliver it fastly with due time. We will build the forum or BPS by the cloud server. I mean, blah blah thing we was right over here, but all about this information, it's basically the Discourse forum and how we will install, how all this thing will do. If you are interested to work with us live, you can join with us by TeamViewer or AnyDesk. By that way, you can see how we will work the all the process. So it could be, I think it could be easy to understand, to be further monitorize your system or further handle the Discourse forum, that dashboard, all those things. So yeah, this is about the gig description. And more information, if you are interested to get extra services, as like you want to customize all your Discourse forum, you want to make look different, as like over here we show, if you see about the Twitter forum, this one and this one is the Code Academy discussion group. So all this thing is actually the Discourse forum. So If you are interested to make some header on the top position, on the bottom it could be footer, you want to customize it like your website familiarity, so it could be, we are able to do that, it's not a problem. Or if you want to interested about exactly a custom Discourse forum style, like your own way you are interested, so we are also providing this service. Or you are interested to use some other different type of services, like you interested to install uh, third-party libraries, like you are interested to use chatting, or you are interested to add your Discourse community to Google to be get the analytical information to Google, and Google give you a good ranking on their excuse me, on their search engine. So all those features we are providing, and if you are interested, just give us some knock and we'll happy to help you about all those things. Thank you very much.